Every new school year is exciting. It's full of fresh perspectives and familiar faces. It's celebrating traditions and growing into what's next. Hi, I'm Paul Myers. This is my 25th year working in Fort Zumwalt, and it's my first as superintendent. You might recognize me from my time as a middle school assistant principal, or maybe because our kids went to school together. I have been part of this community for a long time, and this past year it has been my privilege to work with so many people on our continuous school improvement plan. You'll hear us call it CSIP for short. Having the chance to listen to families, students, staff, business leaders, and community members really drove home how much people appreciate who we are as a school district and what their hopes are as we go forward. We found that families are asking for support and employers are asking for a workforce that is better equipped for the future, and we can help. It is our mission to educate, empower, and equip students to excel. That's what we do. Fort Zumwalt educates students to be future ready. We empower our students to find their voice, to discover and create, and we equip them to set goals, work together, and be resilient. We are starting off this school year with excitement and a fresh perspective, and one of my goals is to become an even more familiar face for you. I'm looking forward to honoring our traditions and growing into what's next. Welcome back, and I am really looking forward to working with you.